So we'll just kick things off here by cracking 6 eggs into a bowl. It seems like a lot, but you are feeding a lot. And besides that, the dish is basically all about the eggs. Then grab up the grater and grate up, I'd say about a cup of old cheddar cheese. Go ahead and throw that into the mix. And of course, it doesn't have to be old cheddar, you can use whatever cheese you like. Follow this with about a teaspoon of salt, another teaspoon of ground black pepper, which is my favorite word for pepper. I think it's French or something, I don't know. Another teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of oregano or oregano, and if you have fresh, by all means use it. A quarter cup of good old milk and 2% does just fine. Then grab up your handy dandy whisk and whisk everything until it is well combined and it becomes a little bit frothy. I mean guys, doesn't this look like the perfect mix for scrambled eggs already? Okay, let's go ahead and set this aside for a few minutes. Next up, what you want to do is add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. And we are going to throw in an lb or a pound of lean ground beef. You can use medium too, you just might have to drain it. Break this up a little bit. And we are going to stir and fry this until it is cooked up and browned nicely. Now throw in a small chopped onion and 3 cloves of chopped garlic. We'll just stir and saute this for about 2 or 3 minutes until that wonderful, wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air. Once you've done that, go ahead and throw in about 4 cups or 2 or 3 good handfuls of baby spinach. And just stir and fry this up for about 2 or 3 minutes. It won't take very long until it begins to get wilty. And oh, this is looking so good. And you know, I think my liking for spinach came from my superhero days with Popeye. I mean, how many of you out there even remember Popeye? If you do, drop a comment below. Alrighty then, our ground beef mixture is going to go into a separate bowl. Okay, what I've done here, and I didn't show it, I've added the ground beef mixture to the egg mixture and just kind of mixed everything together until it's beautifully combined. Grab up your favorite casserole dish and give it a spray with some baking spray. Then just go ahead and pour that mixture into it. And what I usually do is just pat everything down until it looks all pretty and professional-like. And you know what, just for the fun of it, I'm going to grate a little bit more cheese over the top because you can never get enough cheese. Now we are going into a 370 Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, my friends, it is breakfast time, and there you have it, our wonderful, simply delicious ground beef and eggs. Doesn't this look incredible? It's just about like a quiche. Well, actually, it is a quiche without the crust, which makes it so much easier. Of course, you know we have to make it all pretty and professional-like and add a few green onions over the top. And voila, our easy quiche without a crust, ground beef and eggs. Simply a must-make and simply delicious. And before I go, I simply have to cut into this. Get a pie lifter and lift it out. Doesn't this is absolutely, I don't know, to me, perfection. You are going to love this. As always, if you like what you saw, give us a like because it does promote our videos. And if you want to watch more videos, we got hundreds and hundreds, meaning hundreds and hundreds of them out there. Subscribe for more recipes in the new location we're moving to very soon that I'm going to do videos of. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.